5, 4, starts with a 400, left 6 plus. 400, 400, left 6 plus. 300, left 6 plus. Can you hear me all right? Okay. 300, left 6 up. Keep mid over crest. 50, into right 6 plus. 100, after the 100, right 6 plus, down, into, stay right over crest, 50, into, left 6 short, stay right over crest, 50, into, left 5, 50, after the 50, right 6, tightens 5, 70, after the 70, right 6 short, into left 5, into right 6 short, left 5, into right 6 short, into left 4 plus, opens 5, okay, stay left over crest, and right 6, tightens 5, very long, caution, tightens 4, very long, tightens 4, 50, after the tightening, into left 4, 30, into right 6 short, into left 6 short, 30, and right 6 short, 50, left 6 over crest, then a left 5, 30, left 6 over crest, left 5, 30, right 6, 50, caution, left 6, tightens 3 over crest, bridge, tightens 3, and right 5, 30, into left 5, stay left over crest, into right 5 long, 30, caution into left 6, into right 4 over bridge, left 6, into right 4 over bridge, and left 4 push, 30, and right 6 over crest, 70, and left 6, 70, after the 70 is a left, I think this is the, yep, 70 and left 6, 70 again, left 5, tightens 4, is that, over the crest, and 70 down, and right 6, tightens 5, stay left for right 5, long, stay left for right 5 long, into left 4, into right 4, keep in, left 6 push, up, keep left over crest, and right 5, keep left over crest, and right 5, 70, and right 5 short, push, keep left over second crest, here's the right 5 short, yep, keep left over second crest, into right 6, stay right over crest, and left 6 over the second crest, 70, left 5, long, tightens 4, 30, into right 5 over kick, 50, I don't have a right yet, right 5 over kick, 50, 11 sign, left 5 over kick, 50, left 5 over 2 crests, 30, up, into right 5 long, 100. Left 6 into bridge after the 100. Left 6 into bridge, up 70. Left 5 short, stay right over crest. Left 6, 150. Stay left over second crest and right 5 up. After the right 5 up, caution, keep in and left 4 over 2 crests. Left 4 over 2 crests. This is your right, yep. Left, yep, here we go, left 4 over 2 crests. 70, right 6, short. Stay mid over crest, and down, up. Stay mid over crest, up there. Stay mid over crest, 50, and right 3 after the 50. Right 3, 30. And left 6, tightens 5 over crest, 50. Tightens 5, 50. Keep left into right 4, 30. After the 30, right 5 over 2 crests, down, up. Stay right over crest, and left 6 down, 50. Left 6 down, 50. Left 6 over crest, into left 5 long, push up. Push up, stay mid over crest, and then 2 crests. 2 crests, caution, down into right 5, double apex, past the junction. Past the junction into left 6, 30, right 6 over crest, 70, caution, left 4 over 2 crests, left 4 over 2 crests, 50, and stay left over jump, stay left over jump, left 6 over crest, 50, right 6 into left, right 6 tightens 5 long, up, open 6, stay mid over jump, 50, opening to 6, stay mid over jump, 50, caution, left 6 tightens 5, 70, left 6 opens, 50, left 6 down, 70, left 6 short, caution, 30, right 5, still going down. There's your left 6 short, caution 30, right 5, still going down, 70, right 6 short, stay mid over crest, down, 70, and right, yep, down 70, right 6, 100, right 5 short, into left 6, plus, 100 kinks, stay right, for left 6 over crest, 200 push, stay mid over crest, long, 70, left 6 over 2 crests, so this is stay mid, 70, left 6 over 2 crests, 50, and left 6, keep left up into right 6 over 2 crests, long, 50 down, here's right 6 over 2 crests, 50 down into left 6, into right 6, into left 6, up, 30 and right 5 over crest, a 6 up, 30, and right 5 over crest, 70, and left 6. Keep left, and left 5 plus, over 2 crests, down 50, into right 6, 50, past the tree blind, right 6, keep right for left 6, keep left for right 6, double apex, keep right, caution, left 4, tightens 3 over bridge. This is the double apex, left 4, tightens 3 over bridge, into right 3, push. We had caught them by now. And up, stay left over crest, and 200 kinks, 200 kinks, right 6 short, into left 6, tightens 5, into, left 6, tightening to 5, into right 6 short, 50. After the 50, left 4 over crest, 30. Stay, over crest, 30. Stay left over crest, down, keep left for right 5, 100. Left 6. Stay left over crest, 70. Right 5. Into left 4 plus. Right 5 into left 4 plus, opens into right 6 short, 50, and left 6 over crest, sorry, caution, left, caution down into bridge, narrow. Caution, oh yeah, here we go. Left 6 over crest, caution down into bridge, narrow, into right 4, right 4. Left 6 short, over crest, push, up, stay left over crest, stay left over crest, left 6, over 2 crests, 50, stay mid over 2 crests, down, here's the 2 mid, down 70, right 6, tightens 4 plus, up, 30, stay mid over crest, 30, left 4 over 2 crests, left 4 over 2 crests, 30, stay mid over crest, into right 5, right 5 up into left 5 plus, 70, right 6 over crest, left 5, 70, right 6 over crest, stay left over crest, here's the right 6, then a stay left, then a right 5, tighten, opens to 6, finish. Nice.
That was real good.